Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Birsat recently laid a foundation stone for the construction of a 1.118-kilometer road from Nongstoin College to the permanent campus of Reverend S. Wallington Children's Home of the KGP Synod Sepngi at Pindeng Deusao in Nong Pindeng village. The road was sanctioned under the scheme of upgradation and improvement of the internal road of Nongstoin town at an estimated cost of Rs 129.860 lakhs and will be implemented by the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project. The MLA also handed over the vehicle funded by the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund to Reverend S. Wallington Children's Home.
Baka jogi kentai, tambah bat jogi sendrang, jogi sendrang dengan bat yo. Tapi orang ni mesti ada jogi thau. Haga wei sini nak kau ibarat tu, apa kamera juga apa sekalian. Orang ba nak deng di jaga recruitment di badan nak ada setiap jogi. Di badan nak thang jogi, kali kali kau wei, kau jaga recruitment kau bang nilai dan syariah.